Welcome to Google Antigravity 2.0. Version 1 operated as a basic extension inside your code editor. Now, Google has rebuilt it entirely from the ground up as a fully independent, standalone desktop application. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to command this new workspace to execute scheduled audits of your codebase and orchestrate multiple sub-agents running in parallel. To get started, you only need two things: an active Google account and a local project directory already set up on your machine. Moving away from the standard chat box interface into an isolated workstation environment is necessary. When you start delegating complex, multi-step tasks to an AI, you need dedicated screen space to manage and monitor those processes. First, head to the official portal and download the correct package for your specific operating system. When you launch the application for the first time, immediately uncheck the data collection option during the welcome setup. Methodical. This step is mandatory. If you leave this box checked, you risk exposing your proprietary company codebase to external model training algorithms. Establishing strict data sovereignty has to be your first action before introducing any AI model to your local repository. With the environment secure, look at the bottom of the interface. This prompt bar is your primary workspace center for all interactions. Before typing, check your model selection. This graph shows the mathematical correlation between your reasoning tier and how quickly you consume tokens. Restrict high reasoning to deep architectural planning, which costs more. For routine queries, default to medium reasoning. If you find yourself consistently exceeding the basic limits, the AI Ultra Mid tier is the optimal upgrade, unlocking 5 times the usage limits. Managing this token economy on a daily basis is just as critical as writing good prompts if you want to maintain a sustainable workflow. Next, navigate to the top Workspace menu and bind a localized project folder to your current session. To give the AI context, type the @ symbol into the prompt bar. This instantly filters and attaches specific project files, like package.json. By explicitly isolating referenced files, you constrain the model's analysis, preventing it from hallucinating code structures across unreferenced directories. Establishing these boundaries means you no longer have to waste time manually copy-pasting snippets into a browser window to provide context. Inside the internal viewer, try highlighting a confusing snippet of code. Clicking the floating comment icon immediately triggers a targeted analysis of that exact line. However, be aware of a critical limitation. Antigravity cannot push modifications directly back into your native IDE. As a safeguard, you must manually copy the AI-generated code snippets and paste them into your primary external editor. To avoid workflow frustration, conceptualize Antigravity as a powerful, parallel reference engine rather than a fully integrated coding environment. Moving beyond standard prompting, you can set configuration parameters to execute recurring codebase health checks autonomously on a rigid schedule. You can also assign distinct specialized refactoring roles to completely independent subagents, allowing them to run concurrently within the same workspace. As a safeguard, the system automatically halts critical terminal commands, requiring your explicit manual approval before execution. For faster execution, use the / command menu. Typing /grillme activates a reverse interview function, where the AI asks questions to build a custom development plan. Transitioning from reactive, manual prompting to proactive, scheduled orchestration is what defines a true power user workflow in this system. You are now equipped with a secure, multi-agent AI assistant capable of actively managing and auditing your local repositories. This tool offers immense advantages in deep contextual memory and parallel processing, despite the IDE disconnect. Next, select the free tier, secure your privacy by opting out of data sharing, and initiate a reverse interview to blueprint your first project. Orchestrating these autonomous systems shifts your effort away from writing individual lines of code and towards supervising the broader architecture and health of your codebase.